Do you know what a Caesar cipher is? On day 8, I created a program that takes a text and a shift number, encodes it, and you can also decode the encrypted text using the same shift number. This is a very basic cryptography, but here's how this works. The text you gave the program, each letter of it is shifted ahead by the shift number, and while decoding, the letters of the encrypted text is shifted backwards by the same shift number. Also, this programs only shift the letters, so the spaces and numbers and other characters remain same in the encrypted text as in the plain text.